happy wife, happy life.
Good morning, Brayden. Ang muntik nang hindi magkasya sa changing table. Ayan o. Kunti na lang. Brayden ko. Stop eating your hand. Hey. Papalit tayo ng diaper. Hi, baby. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What is it? What is it, baby? Brayden ko. Tuwan-tuwa siya dito sa changing table. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. What is it? Why are you always happy when you're here in your changing table? I'll just leave you here all day. Huh? I'll just leave you here all day in your changing table. You seem so happy here. You seem so happy here. You're so cute. Hindi ko tanggal yung ngiti niya. What is it? I'm not even playing with him. Loko-lokong bata ito. You're so loko-loko. Ha? Maluko ka, ha? Oh, what is it? Here's my baby bears. Wow! Ang hilig maglaro ng kumot. Hi, baby ko. Look at the hair. Bad hair day. Hi, baby. Ang cute-cute naman ng baby na yan. Huh? Good morning. Good morning, Big D. Hi. Ang isa naman, oh. Uy! Hi, baby ko. Hi, baby B. Luha-luha ka nakakakain ng iyong kamay, ha? Maglalaro lang kami ni Mami. Kasi walang pasok si Mami, kaya maglalaro na lang kami ng mga bata. How about this baby boy? How about this baby boy? Nanggigil ako sa inyo. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Tulala lang yun. What is it? Do you wanna play peekaboo? Peekaboo! Or ikaw ay tumatae? Ha? Gumagawa ka milagro? Ha? Ha, Dawson? Gumagawa ka milagro? Gumagawa ka milagro? Ha? Gumagawa ka milagro? Ha? What? What? Good morning! Ayan, dinala ko dito yung dalawa para mahiga kami. It's only 6:30. Gising na yung dalawa. Ayun na matulog yung isa, oh. Hi, baby. Anong tinitignan mo, ha? Anong tinitignan mo dyan? Ha? Tahimik ka dyan, ha? Tahimik ka dyan. Good morning. Good morning. Wanna take a picture? Take a picture? Let's go take a picture. Let's go take a picture. The three of us. Ang kulit-kulit ng dalawa. Magdamag every 3 hours nagigising sila para dumede. May mga times na nung nakaraan 5 hours pero last night, 3 hours talaga. Tuwing 3 hours talagang gigising sila. Dawson. Hi, baby B. What? 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 Good morning, baby ko. Tama, ching, ching, ching. What's your problem, Loki? Do you wanna go out? Hi. Pinagluloko niyo akong dalawa, ha? Iyak-iyak kayo, tapos pagdating dito, tatawa-tawa. Ha? Ha? You too. You too. Kulit-kulit ng dalawang to. Maglalaba muna ako ng damit namin na yan, oh. Isang basket na naman. Isang basket na naman. Si Baby D nakatulog sa aking arms kasi nag-iinarte siya. Ayaw niya sa kanyang bouncer. So, nilihili ko dito. Na-miss niya ata ako kasi lagi na lang si Brayden sa gabi kasi si Dawson natutulog siya ng 5 hours. So, siya yung gustong-gusto ni Calvo padidiin sa gabi kasi isang beses lang siya nagigising. Samantala si Brayden, he wakes up every 3 hours. Nagutom ako. Di pa ako nag-aalmusal. It's almost 11 o'clock na and si Brady nag-iinarte. Hi, baby babe. Brayden ko. Look at here. Brayden ko. Nanonood ng TV. Nanonood siya ng TV. Brayden ko. Bless you. Bless you. So yun, nilalagay ko muna si Dawson sa kanyang bouncer and I'm going to eat something. Siguro, tinapay na lang. Change ng diaper ni Baby D. Si Baby D. Tuwan-tuwa talaga sila dito. What is it? What is it? Siguro nakikita nila yung mga decoration dito sa kanilang kwarto. Ganyan. Ayan, yung kanilang name, Dawson and Brayden. Yun siguro nakikita nila. Pag nilalagay ko dito, tuwan-tuwa yung dalawa. Kahit umiiyak, basta ilagay mo sila dito. Magsisimulang tumawa at magsalita. What is it? Huh? What is it? Hi, baby. Are you ready for milk? Are you ready for milk? We need to clean your tongue later. Look at the hair. Ang daming buhok. Daming buhok ni Digdi. Hi, Digdi. You're so big. You're so chunky. You're chubby, chubby, ching, ching. You're taba, taba, ching, ching. Let's go get some milk. Ayan yung dalawa. Naglalaro sa kanilang, ito yung kanilang security blanket. Binigay ito ng kaworker ko nung bagong panganak ako. Gustong-gusto yan ni Brayden. Tinatakip sa mukha niya. Hi, baby. Ako ay magtutupi ng aming damit kasi mommy is doing laundry. Play lang kayo dyan, baby, ha? Mga baby ko. Be good boys. Ayan, nagpalit ako ng diaper ni Brayden. Ito yung tsura ni Dawson. I'm here na. Mommy and Brayden's here na, oh. Oh, nagpalit lang kami ng diaper, eh. Come here na. Okay. I'm gonna go get you. Nandito kami sa Walmart. Doon yung isa din. Twins. Si Daddy ay nag-ikot-ikot. So, dito ako sa may makeup section to get something for the girls para sa kanilang Easter basket kasi kulang pa. I'm just looking around. Daddy is getting more candies for the boys.
Yeah.
Siya lang walang kakain yan. Oh my god, this is so cute. Can you show it, hon? It's like peekaboo. Cute. How much is it? $12. I see some online, it's like $30. I'm surprised how cheap that. It's so cute. But we only got one so we can share. Oh my god. Going home na guys, and it's really nasty outside, and
Yeah.
Dawson started fussing because he's gonna be getting ready to eat.
Yes.
Yes. Saglit lang kami doon, kumuha lang kami ng chocolate and toys for the twins. I love the peekaboo thing.
It's cute.
I know.
Baby, what's wrong?
Baby. We thought that it's Dawson who's fussing. Sabi namin kanina si Dawson, yung pala si Brayden.
It's Brayden
Are you sure
fussing.
it's Brayden?
Yes. I am now.
Ayun, magkamukha kayo. You two look alike. And that's Dawson right there, still sleeping. He's just sleeping the whole time, and Brayden was awake the whole time.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm just gonna change my clothes and feed Dawson.
Alright. I'll feed him even though he's not even ready. This has only been 2 hours.
No, it's not.
He ate at like almost 6.
No, 5:45.
What time is it?
It's 8:10 something. Sin guys, padidiin lang namin yung... Actually, Brayden is now eating and Dawson is still sleeping. Here comes Daddy. Hi, baby.
Hello.
Hi, baby Brayden. You grew up too fast. Oh, dito pala si Brayden. Hi, baby Brayden. He was like, it's me, mommy. I love you. I love you too.
Thank you, Dr. Brown. These bottles are awesome.
Nangingi ng
stopped this-
sponsor.
They did. They were good bottles.
I know. We really love the bottles and everybody thinks it's the best bottle. But anyway, maraming salamat guys, and this weekend it's gonna be fun weekend because I think their sisters, Taylor and Ashley, are going to have Easter egg hunting with the boys. Stop licking me! Si Kalbo, nilalawayan ako.
You put it in my face.
Kasi we're not doing it here in our house since they're too young, but the girls want to do it. I think they're really excited to do it with their brothers. So, they're gonna do it sa bahay ng kanyang mother. Kasi pupunta kami dun sa Sunday for Easter dinner, and they're gonna do Easter egg hunting. So, I'm gonna try to vlog it. It's gonna be fun. Say something.
Thank you, Dr. Brown. These bottles are awesome. I'm just kidding.
Ang buang si Kalbo. Maraming salamat guys. See you tomorrow. Bye everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye Brayden.
Have a happy Holy Week, everybody.
Yeah. Brayden Senior and Brayden Junior. Oh, let's say bye to Dawson.
Yeah, poor
He's
baby.
still sleeping.
He's sleeping.
Bye.